Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TALKIE AI not working in your web browser using some of the easy proven fixes that work on any of the web browsers that you are using. So first of all, you need to hard refresh your TALKIE AI website. In order to do it, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus R on your keyboard together. So what this is going to do is it is going to reload the page without the old cached files, and it is going to fix the issue a lot. So most of the times a quick refresh and a quick hard refresh is all you need in order to fix this problem. So I highly recommend you to try this method. Now, if the issue still persists, you can also just try the second method, in which you need to click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. After that, click on the option of settings. So this is going to redirect you here inside the settings of your Chrome web browser. Now over here, use the search bar, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for cache. Now, when you are able to find deleted browsing data option here, simply click on it. Now you need to select more and click on the option of all time. Now here simply untick the browsing history, and then you need to keep the cookies, the cache files and the download history available here. So once you are done, simply click on the option of delete data. So after clearing the cache files, you just have to again reload the talkie.ai's page and see if it is working properly or not. Now, if the issue still persists, you can also try disabling some of your extensions. If you are using any kind of ad blockers or privacy related extensions, make sure that you first of all disable them and then see if it is working properly or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.